Hey, it's No Soul Gaming here with Eric or Eldaco again, and Caleb might be in the background after. Um, and we are doing a Let's Build, but we already started, but oh well, he did. And
I don't know what I'm making. I'm just winging it.
You need to add me to the server, not the server, the plot.
Plot me. Add.
Fortnite.
You like bend right in front of me so I can. Thank you. Ha! That didn't work.
Hello.
What the nuts?
What?
No. You're already allowed.
How? Oh yeah, because you said, oh yeah, that didn't work, blah, 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 blah. So, oh, I guess it worked. You know the last video, you know how I said I had to stop it?
Yeah.
Well, apparently it was only 8 minutes.
Wait, we need to add. Ah, crap. We need to add stuff.
Like what?
What is this? What is this? What's the dimension? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 10.
So one more like this, and then that's it?
Yeah, and then we're going to start adding stuff.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8.
No, it's not. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No.
What are you doing?
Wait. 1, 2.
Fill that.
5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, it is. I thought I got 8. Like this. Like I counted the wood one.
What?
Oh, Caleb.
What? Yes, I do, Mom. I don't know.
Okay, Caleb's just in the background. Don't mind him.
No.
Caleb, I'm like recording a video, so it doesn't really matter if you're in the background. Okay. Oh well. So we need an item frame. So like, let's say 1, 2, and then item frame, and then item frame.
Are we just like messing around?
Yes, I guess. Just let's build. Is this gonna be like? This will be a hotel. Yes.
Really?
Yes. This is the thing to the hotel, and then the hotel's gonna be like, ooh, right
Okay, well, it doesn't.
here.
Ooh, I did something wrong, but it actually looks pretty good.
Yes.
Did you see what I did?
Yes.
I was gonna try to make it the same height, but I went one down.
But actually, cool. Leave it like that. Leave it. Leave it.
Oh, what? We're putting more chairs?
This is the last of the chairs, and then we're gonna make the doorway. Right.
Actually, we're gonna make a fountain. But we need lighting.
And then we're gonna make a pathway around it, and then we're gonna make the door.
Lighting.
Lighting. Are we gonna put more pumpkins and grass stuff?
I don't know.
Yeah,
maybe glowstone. I like glowstone.
No, I had pumpkins. Fine, glowstone.
Does that even work? Does that even look right?
Yes.
No,
if you do this, then it'll look cool.
Give me a second. It just doesn't look right. Give me a second.
It looks fine to me. Okay.
I got somebody go. Yeah.
That was kind of random. Oh, I know. We're doing a fountain.
Trapdoors? I don't know.
Okay, let's build a fountain tin. Okay, so we need a bucket of water. Okay, what is it going to be made out of?
What?
The fountain.
Water?
And, no, like, the material around it.
Oh. I don't want to make. I'll make the fountain. You make this look better.
Okay, I need this.
Oh, those lights just don't look right. Here, you try and fix the lights. I'm gonna make a fountain.
No, I'm just making it look cool.
So I need 4 by 1.
Now make them all like that.
Ah, we're not allowed to use water buckets.
We're not?
No.
Hey, can you make them all like this?
That looks really weird.
But cool at the same time. Come on.
If you did this, I would let you. If you took off these 2 trapdoors, yeah.
Here.
We need an arch right at the start.
What?
We need an arch at the start.
What? No?
Yes.
Caleb,
What?
I'm recording a video now, you know.
I don't care.
Oh well.
No, mine. Yes, it was mine. Okay, that looks actually really nice. Now,
Now, the entrance. Wait. We need. Wait. Pumpkins and that grass.
actually, you know what?
What? Well, what about?
No! What are you doing?
That's what the other side looks like. Fine. I messed it up. I broke a block. I broke a block. I replaced it. Nothing can be replaced. Okay, and you want to fill this with
Pumpkins.
Guys, what's the server IP?
I'll tell you after this video.
No, tell me now, tell me now, tell me now. I
My
want to
phone is like going off.
Goose?
Give me a second. I have to go answer a phone.
Okay, Greg, just give me the IP.
Okay, I'll be back on the server.
Greg, IP.
I'm going. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, it's MNB, right?
MMB?
MNB. EMENBEE.
Okay.
Okay, so the IP. MC dot EMEN, right? Like MNB. So MC dot MNB and then SMP and then .com. MC dot MNB SMP.com. Yeah.
Wait, what? I don't understand. Spell it out.
MC
Yes.
dot
Yes.
E
E
M
M
E
E
N
N
B
B
E
E
E
E
S
S
M
M
P
P
dot
dot
C O
O
M.
M.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What? I'm back.
Cool.
Wait, Greg, accept the thank you.
There's a random person I replied. What's this guy? What?
That's Caleb. That's
you.
Caleb.
I'm gonna punch you.
That's Caleb.
Come on, punch.
Stop punching Caleb.
Why?
Because.
Can I be added?
Your admin, what?
Can I be added?
The plot?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Because I love you.
Add me to the plot.
What do you say?
Can I please be added to the plot?
That's not
Yeah,
what
say-
he meant.
Stop, Greg. You're doing it wrong.
Am I added?
Are you
Can
at?
I be added to the plot, please, and thank you?
Yes, you can. Give me a second.
Okay.
As in second, I mean a couple hours.
No.
Huh, yes.
I think we have to end the video here. Okay?
What? What? Stand in front of me, little child. I don't know who you are. I don't know your name.
Just do this. SIR, then press tab. So type SIR, tab. So. SIR, press tab, then.
Ha, no plot found. What?
Yeah, because you're not on it. Okay. So I'm gonna have to end it here. Okay?
Yeah, I'm added.
Okay, I'll see you later, people.
Bye.